There's like no dew here.
Mike's still on the trailer. We just got here last night. We took the trailer trail for a little bit just to see how it was. It wasn't very far campground from where we actually got on the trail. This is Copin. It's Copin Lake. Yeah, it's Copin Lake. We're going to a hardware store to fit that thing with fenders because it's throwing rocks over top of the Jeep and like smacking the like hood and everything. And then what else? We still got a skid plate to put on this. We got a battery to install. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. We're gonna hit the trail today. Hopefully get 200 miles in at least.
We hit the trail yesterday.
Hit more of it today.
Yeah.
If
We're
that.
going to do Oklahoma today.
That'd be nice. All of Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Trailer throws rocks on the hood when we take it through the gravel. So we're here at Lowe's. There it is. Someone stole our gas can off the back of our trailer when we were in Walmart. They literally just cut the strap and went. Bastards.
Yeah. I'm glad I saw that before I took off and bits of strap going everywhere.
We'll have to find another gas can now. And strap. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh. Wonder how Chris feels about this. This gotta be pretty sketchy. This thing's way up in the air too. There's a whole toilet down there.
Yeah, there's a toilet, a tire.
Someone's house must have got washed away.
Last monsoon. How's it going? Fine.
getting tired.
Not bad at all.
At least something, at least like this keeps it interesting.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm glad that you are behind me, no, in front of me and not behind me.
The dust?
No, if you would see what I'm doing to your poor trailer.
I see it. Wow, that stuff's holding up though. I don't know what the hell he used.
Not even that. You should see it drift around a corner.
Well, the fact that it's running doesn't scare me as bad as I thought it was. But it's from. Oh, you lost your exhaust?
You got any wires?
Oh, it just come undone?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
It's still flowing through this.
A little bit?
Yeah. So I think a piece of wire and it ought to be good.
You took your visor off?
It fell off.
Is it pretty bumpy back here?
Yeah.
Oh, way better. Good as new. I haven't seen one in so long. What's up, little box turtle? He's peeing. I saw him walking across the road. I was like, hey, I haven't seen one in forever. What the hell does he drink out here? How long can these things go without water?
I don't know. So you found dinner?
Yeah, you want to cook them up?
Yeah.
Throw them under the hood real quick? I'm sure it'll be cooked by the time we get there. Yeah. All right, stay off the roadway, buddy. Straw if you want to go try and get a drink out of that. Oh no, there's still
one packet.
She puts on a serious amount. How many did we yesterday? Like 80? Can't even see that thing. Day 2, did 100 miles, just got to the campground. Super nice guy. It was like $15 for the night, which is the cheapest campground I've been to yet, out of all of them. He just like rolled over in his golf cart, broke out his little square, swiped my credit card, and booked it out. It was nice and easy. I think the plan for tomorrow is do a few more miles on the Trans-America Trail, but we're both pretty tired of Oklahoma, so I think we're gonna jump on the highways and just try and get over to Colorado, finally see some mountains. That sound about right?
Yep.
How was your second day?
Pretty good.
Pretty long?
Long.
Did you get tired while driving the back roads?
The Jeep felt it today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but the only thing you lost was your exhaust.
I didn't even lose it. It just needed help.
And it's working again. And she's running great, and she's keeping our shit cold, and everything is really dusty, but less dusty than it would be if it was on the trailer. Oh yeah, the trailer's still going too. We made an upgrade to it. Man, that is hard to see. It's got some fenders on it. That's better. Yeah, not too bad though.
Does that twist on?
Yeah. Oh, I might take it off. It's getting hot.
There's no spoons in here.
Come on, are you serious? Did you look at all of them? Or just that one?
Looks like we're drinking it.